according to Nimam, Shata na Ejected.
Yeah.
But if he says Sada or Casas or Taman,
I was what?
thank you. If you are Miss Uncle be a dear, be any Uncle Emma in so much, says Sapadi and so woman on Casa.
Oh, some men are okay.
Missy Uncle, one Margaret.
Now, because Uncle says Sapadi, Sapadi or Yankre.
Sapadi Uncle, you so.
Okay,
it's your and yet. Sana Patch, but Uncle showing him to send you here. They didn't go on. Maybe Shata is one of the greatest talent Ghana has ever had. By your year, he will be the most useless talent ever in Ghana.
Oh,
I'm telling you.
How?
Yes, because he doesn't want to hear the truth.
Okay.
That's the first thing. And then part of one who I saw managing him. They are managing him.
Okay, he's rather managing.
He's managing them. And he should take it from me. As an artist, he's not growing. Okay. Because only Beyonce, yeah. From there, no, I can say go quickly. By this time, and you cry and me and you be now, you be massa. Which means that the management team is not working. He needs somebody or Jimmy against a massa. This is stupidness. Stop. That's what we call a manager.
And that day, I'm in a war. I can say a dear a year celebrity. I just say the neck. Ghana for anu esi eye ne so adodo na ekasa a wo mo ebonu tiri so chese wo mo ka che ne se won sore waka na ekame akwa ye se ye hwu a wo ye na bonti no nyina no ni nyina eye ye dede hunu na emom hwi eni eye kotre yem na chese me kan na ye kan ye yankasa ye nua bemma ai dance or artist Shata Wale. Busuya mo be kai a nche ye bia na chese ne maame de nsem bi aba beto abonte e bra okoko pie mum wo Hot FM na chese wo mo ene no etwetwe eye enkomo ye maame eye Madam LC Avemega de ne nsem no etu edwa na chese wo chirem a sabre ya wone eye wo manfo Ghana kasa no enyina no woni baabi edam na edan ya chese ne ba ne toma no an wo eye Legon na se de Shata Wale ba abonte be kasa watofie di amane maame wo Legon no maame ne echire mu am landlady no aye den ababa betu ne de free won ma se woni baabi edam na ekwan a wafo so se de be obereche eye ne ba ne nyina no enya de sem ye good results eti emi eye de every word abam na ne ba ne nso etime echire mu so ebia ampa me rente ye enti se bra so se wo so tu de ne mebe baabi ama ana se ade no metoye enti obi anu usutumi wotu eye ahomaturufo yi na chese wo kwose wo pene be na kasa krampo na enya de sem wonya no ene ne kasa ne na nam som ama ode ade se de to Ghana fo eni se si ane be nye na adwen se wo pese wo mboa no yi na wani baabi dey wono de wo pe baabi obeka se mi fie ai wo kochinchi ko nim se aha na mekọ akwa da na brother nsem wetu dwa na ama Ghana fo dodo na kasa wo madi eye Shata Wale ehu eye na ebusia ensem no de emu ado mamtwa mo emane ba de wo mu de ba ababusum na ebusia se de ensem no etie enu no achese maami ababontine na binu mo kase maame no wo gu ne ba no animu ase dodo entwe ye ni kwanse wo ya ka at least eye den ya na nse yi Shata Wale de ne girlfriend beto abontin a birthday party achese wo ye organize the man to wo pa kire se wo dudo mu anti wonti mi hunu eye wo bi wo ben ne ba no mane ntimi nche ne so wo ba no wa ha na asese just wunye obi akrampa se eye bulldog krampo wo hono mo ai na nse ba UTV program Saturday bia ye nua ba me watimu bi wo ko ekokokye na adwentu ka de otimi time ya na ne Saturday ba ko akopie wo UTV hono na ate ye wo mabobo ano na chese wuhu na wo se abrante ya me se me be de wo ben no se ni na de wo ye de wo gu ne ba ni mas na ne binu mo so ka se Debbie says, son, it's here and I come up with celebrities. No woman is she a woman toto and a woman deba trouble until the almost shown in Nano, Nina, a na dancing. Mr. Bamboos, our high and no Edons in Moscow, a jack no more farm. Yeah, maybe. Bibi Abokodi. I do not do Yamia. Yada Christo as say, wo share a year Shata Wale, ne Mamiana Munto, 2 year, Edikan, a chay, and I chay. I met here a tea for. And you'll be all me. I'm 72 days ago. Yeah. Na message for me. Me mammy for me to me. Say, will be mammy called through stress. Na me ya. Okay. And now one. And na Sebi and na
ade anyame de mawa na o de achew because yam bebrebe e ma me ni wiase. Ti am say wo na e say utimi edini.
Okay.
And your year ni de unnim how many times I was trying to reach out.
Okay.
And ba enti menya sure say ofiti prepo na oba out on me kan. E bi kwa bulldog ya mo kan. Sa ma ne de me message nya sabi ani. E bi a wa try to be rich na emfa.
Oh, okay.
What I say? Enti menya sure say just one off no be ka say but in the first place no according to ne mama Shata na Ejected dan.
Yeah.
But if he says I dan o ka say so atoma no.
Was what?
Thank you.
Say something no person won and the baying ka on picking on to me musa na say and then what toye and now one to landlord na say me de ka say you to 2 minutes could be woman and now want me tell them one say.
De bia me say ohu ankra bia de a bibia nim ankra ma nsu wo mu a te say sa akwade nsu wo mu on kasa.
Oh, same na okay.
Me say ankra woni ma ankra
na aka say ankra te say sa akwade o ya ankra
sa akwade ankra de nsu wo.
Oh, okay.
Nti enye dede sana pa kire ba ankra nsu onim te say na ehu ya dede nko ha bibia nim. What did I mean can I say? But you see in the life of show business it happens. But it happens say we do mami e ba show business. Or the name mami na show business.
Okay.
What did I say? Sometimes no you portray bibia is not what it seems. And no I allowed.
Okay.
But say we do mami be sa enye. Intimi de mami no yokomo no edinika.
Na yen hwe Shata Wale say wonimu say edan no wan to. Said ye obeka na abontin na wonimu say eye den asa wo rent ya for days. Years.
Yes.
Wouldn't year rent no ebewo. Enti adentin na ka rent no ewo penny ngwase bi si anaka wakọ na akọ hu landlady no anasa landlord no na wakọ to ba obetwen say yentu ma me emfa emfiri ewo no won say ewo no enti ase bi nhye dan ye adwuma bisa.
Enti ase ye adwuma. Shata Wale doesn't have a good management team. They be ameka.
Okay.
You see bulldog minim so on nam no ho na yama no $100 $200 into on nam. You see when you have a good management and come on moving to settle this thing long time.
Okay.
Management, like I said, management is good at a solving issue, no, and sakra na bedu artist name. You the artist, yours is to write the song, compose songs. It's the person you may be say about how.
Na management no wa bush you mo efa wono no ho ben. Because who managing me
no, you see that is where you are wrong.
Okay.
You become a brand. Ade asabe mabon ka meton.
Okay.
Ade no etwa ka ba ho. So bi nto. Ana me boa. Ena through eno na me manager me nyam sika. It be protective.
Okay.
Ade na black na me say red.
Okay.
It asem we na san come something long time. Ansa na edu. Baby edu ye. Ba sebe ukonya manager bi abi onu mom ka cho yesa. Na sebe manager no kro onim adwuma oye Ghana ye nam ha ye boy ho samnane artist management who be some say what are the duties they don't even know.
Okay.
Almost feel say ye and say wo GCD na the call radio station na ye boy no na hit. If a good manager who artist accept emma out that. Let me give you an example of Richie Lens Entertainment. Time my car say where you are Eugene we are up to now the record label has been able to tell me what his name before him so
okay.
Because behind the scenes they did a lot of work. That is what we call you have a good manager.
Okay.
Because so when you go asano a PR massa who brand no asofa. It is Shata Wale most of the things what you me say only obi ultimate tiano.
Akoya so one more beba ni na no only over.
Yes, but a manager should not be like that. Okay. Manager your beer onimde onim about you, onim about everything, and they even do psychology.
Okay.
Eti onimu subai no uye bibi onim say we are uye ba ko say.
Okay.
Obe stop here as kwansa na akodu o.
Okay.
Manager your beer or keep you check. It will be us no stop this. Okay. You stop. What did I mean can I say? But unyo obi na otise wuti penso na sabe wo na told him etomana. That's what happens.
Na chese metiwasi ya say manager na say ye can say management team or more managing an artist. You have to go even into the private life as in so warrior na warring say more.
Definitely.
look into it, said
exactly.
Exactly.
Sometimes say on worry poor.
Okay.
Utimi eko nipa no ba be ware.
Okay.
No I so be hindrance to even ejuma no ba be na.
Okay.
Because hell, yeah, time, energy, money near this show as a brand. What in I mean can say? Enti se ukofo bi na nipa ne overly jealous on ma onye ejuma na o say ejuma no.
Okay.
Se oyo bi a o lose stocker na bi asem bi akra ne ba kokoba ka o say ejuma nti manager no wo ye nipa niti ne nine.
Okay.
Se asem ha na you are the first person the person needs to confide in you. Se wonya the confidence wonya the manager papa. What did I make her say?
Now what is the
yes, only the crew was asema who the first person he or she was.
Okay.
And nothing na ebi or baby or I don't for say remember or your banner manager or say or ye. No, you see you need to earn the trust of the artist.
Okay.
Oh yes sir, the peer hand because one can hear how natural. Na your show, na the crew na confia.
Okay.
Will it go well?
No.
It won't.
Yeah.
But oh yeah, like a friend and then me could say, oh, sir, mommy, for a few minutes. My fetch him no cook. I'm a cook. A friend, I apologize.
Okay.
I have solved the problem.
Okay.
What did I mean? I say, my solve, but me yet to send here, it's just about the music. I have a problem because you're managing a personal life and then the talents that are on, plus the finances. That's what we call you have a management team. But you say, what it's a wonder. Pastor Sylvia guy then you are also following up. Oh yes, sir, you are a fool.
Okay.
It means you are not helping the guy to progress.
No,
Shata is one of the greatest talent Ghana has ever had. By here, he will be the most useless talent ever in Ghana.
Oh.
I'm telling you.
How?
Yes, because he doesn't want to hear the truth.
Okay.
That's the first thing. And any part of one who saw managing they are not managing him.
Okay, he's rather managing.
He's managing them. And he should take it from me. As an artist, he's not growing. Okay. Because only Beyonce, yeah. From there, no, I can say go quickly. By this time, and you cry and me and you be massa. Which means that the management team is not working. He needs somebody or Jimmy against a massa. This is stupidness. Stop. That's what we call a manager.
Yeah.
It's in your more they are just saying praising him and all that, and it will help him.
It will help him. Now, share a year idea with a year Shata ne mother issue here. And now bet me at Nancy, I said, me bat me baby, I'm a batty. Okay.
Oh, that's some person me mammy as my mammy. Mammy named Sahanamte. But me, I be a war. Friends, more countrymen,
at least I get the win himself will be. Well, who will be a hassing quantity who like there are two places go and say, oh, meaning a down for way, a bit one more. There be a do of hand two, but maybe or four. Okay, two no now. That's all. I don't bet me a link me. No, you see, it depends on your mark catch up. What's that say? Okay. Or that bossy attitude, or catch up here. They dare not flout his way. Okay. But I know sooner a because we are artists, you need to listen to wisdom. Okay. Then he said now so bad showbiz now or catch up shoe say or be shoe here. I find it very childish. What did I make her say? Her brand that we're creating now who maybe a people will say, who is managing this guy? Okay. It's a say, yeah. So many times somebody has been busted from left, right. Yeah. But he doesn't speak. You know why? But somebody who can say Obia or Chad power music in that show man. Sakodi. Just say now. He doesn't show it. Oh, okay.
So what I say? Okay. Now who show idea? Yami cringe now. What did I make her say? Show off no too much. It's a new one man. It's a me and a sabi. Ya bana ya beka. Obi can be wakwa brocha bana was wakwa stay in the state of the nation address. Are you the president? No, be can't say address the crowd. Yeah, no, it wasn't necessary. And you wanted to beat him on air. What is wrong with you? And the manager says and defends this. Massa.
That is yeah, Shata Sabri, baby, our way. Then I'll become a day actually no Sabri, so we'll see what a foot will burn at the any event the upcoming a year artist. And I said, artist now, one more, one more, and I'm so burn and a foot will burn one far and free a year Shata issue.
One, talents Maybe I'm just talent at 30%.
Okay.
Attitude at 70%.
Okay.
Say Shata is so talented.
Yeah.
But the attitude no one it will bring you down.
Okay.
Because baby, I was doing Beyonce here, and from there you needed to go up, but now you are rather coming down. People are not telling you. But me, I'm telling you the truth. You are rather coming down. Now my mission, as quickly as possible, solve it and dissolve that so-called bulldog. Wow, not from management who can control you as a person, because you need to control. Nipa be a control. Yes, be a controller. We have to unleash your potential but control your bad character. Manuato.
Mr. Bambuzi, you better wasi na ebusia for said there and some no etie no we share issues ya ebinum so se maami wo ka de gu ne ba nanim as ebinum so se no kra no no ye bra so se ye be ma celebrities wo ma hu se enoma binum wo ho no mu a se enya eni kwan so mo de be to abonte se Emma who say something good, but later on, I feel like we actually not just again in Guasium and a ebro or to live one life no normally. They won't get to muna, it's me abwama bibinia or more at me as support to in terms of a needy. I was also watching your fans, some no anything. Fabra ever to your comment section, like a video is not share on all the social media platforms as media and a clear Sikapa Macron.